Alrighty guys, Tanton's muffler is boxed up and ready to get shipped out to him. I got my muffler on there. I think I cut my slopes slightly off compared to Tanton's, but I don't look that bad on there. But be curious to see. Wish I could get this back over to Joe's. Be curious to see if it's still making 8.1 horse with this muffler, or if it's making more. Alrighty guys, it made 8.1 horse with this muffler. I don't plan on doing some oil in my saws. I'll have to do some testing and see what that does on there. Let me know what you guys think. You guys take it easy and have a good one.